Hello everyone, I'm Ting Lu, and I'm here to present the strategic plan to address the ongoing seat defect issues at Toyota Motor Manufacturing USA Company, and discuss the focused efforts to improve the overall quality and the efficiency of our manufacturing process. My presentation today will cover the two main questions, including the first one is, as Donkfriesen, what would you do to address the seat problem, and where would you focus your attention and solution efforts? And the second question is, what options exist, and what would you recommend? Why? In order to answer question 1, I will briefly introduce the issue, explain the problem analysis, and focusing attention and solution efforts, and draw the conclusion. Addressing the seat defect issue at Toyota Motor Manufacturing requires a comprehensive and strategic approach. Given my role as Dockfriesen, it is imperative to undertake measures that not only resolve the immediate issue but also contribute to the long-term improvement of the production process, aligning with the Toyota production system principles. First, understanding the issue. It is imperative to have a deep understanding of the seat problem. The seat defects resulting in seat rejections have led to a plethora of issues such as backlog of cars awaiting seats, operational delays, and an increase in overtime work to rectify the issues. As Dockfriesen, manager of assembly, addressing this issue head-on is my responsibility. Next, goes to the problem analysis. First is the collaborating with KFS. The defective seats are supplied by KFS. A significant step in resolving the issue is to strengthen the collaboration with KFS. This means setting up regular visits, inspections, and audits to understand their manufacturing process, identify where the defects are originating, and implementing corrective actions. Second is the data-driven analysis. Implementing on a data-driven approach to identify patterns in the defects is crucial. This involves categorizing the types of defects, understanding their frequency, and tracing them back to their origin. This data-driven approach will provide clear insights into what needs to be fixed and where the focus should be placed. Finally, the root cause analysis. Conducting a root cause analysis in collaboration with KFS will help in identifying the underlying issues leading to defects. This would range from issues in manufacturing process, lack of quality control, or even issues in supply chain. Identifying these root causes is key to implementing long-lasting solutions. Applying the 5 whys methodology, a technique integrating TPS for problem solving, would help trace back the issue to its origin. For instance, if a seat is defective because of a stitching problem, asking why rapidly would help uncover whether the issue lies in the materials, the machinery, the operator skill, or perhaps in the communications of specifications from TNM to the seat supplier. Next goes to the focusing attention and solution efforts. The possible attention and action plan could be, firstly, strengthening collaboration with KFS, given that KFS is the primary seat supplier and many defects originate from there. It is crucial to work closely with them to identify why these defects are occurring. And This involves conducting a thorough analysis of the seed manufacturing process at KFS, pinpointing the specific stages where defects are most likely to occur, and understanding the underlying reasons for these defects. The possible action plan could be arrange regular visits and audits at KFS, involve cross-functional teams from both TMM and TFS to collaboratively work on identifying issues and implementing corrective actions. Secondly, enhancing communications with KFS. Building a robust communication channel with KFS is vital. This not only helps in quicker identifications and resolution of issues, but also ensures that both parties are on the same page regarding quality standards and expectations. The possible action plan could be established a dedicated communication line with KFS for immediate reporting and resolution of any issues. Conduct regular meetings to discuss performance, area of improvement, and strategize on enhancing quality. Thirdly, strengthening in-house inspection and quality control. While it is essential to fix problems at the source, having a stringent in-house inspection process can act as a double-check mechanism, ensuring that no defective seats are installed in the cars, and the possible action plan could be enhance the training of the inspection team, provide them with the necessary tools and resources, and create a clear and efficient workflow for inspection seats and addressing any defect found. Fourthly, training and empowerment of employees. Employees on the assembly line play a crucial role in maintaining quality. Training them to identify potential seat defects and empowering them to take necessary actions ensures a proactive approach to quality control. The possible action plan could be implement a comprehensive training program for assembly line workers focusing on quality control, problem solving, and TPS principles. Encourage open communications and where employees feel comfortable reporting issues and suggesting improvements. The fifth is process standardization and documentation. Standardizing the process for handling seat defects ensure consistency and efficiency. Clear guidelines need to be established and outline the steps to be taken when a defect is identified. The possible action plan could be developed and disseminate clear standard operating procedures for handling seat defects, conduct regular training sessions to ensure all employees are aware of and adhere to these procedures. 6. Establishing a feedback loop and continuous improvement. A robust feedback loop incorporating inputs from the assembly line workers and the quality control team and the supplier is essential for continuous improvement. The possible action plan could be regularly reviewing the feedback, analyzing patterns in the feeds, and take corrective actions properly. Would contribute to a significant reduction in seat defects over time. Encouraging a culture of continuous improvement while every employee feels responsible for quality and is actively looking for ways to improve processes aligns with the Kanzan principles of TPS. Finally, analyzing the cost-best ratio of potential solutions. while some solutions might require significant upfront investment, such as upgrading machinery or enhancing training programs. The long-term benefits in terms of reduced defects, improved efficiency, and higher customer satisfactions might justify these expenses. A careful evaluation of these aspects, keeping in mind that the long-term vision and the goals of TNM is crucial in decision making. The possible action plan could be analyze the cost-benefit ratio of potential solutions. Finally, this goes to the conclusion of question 1. Addressing the seat defect issue at Toyota Motor Manufacturing requires a multi-faceted approach grounded in the principles of the Toyota production system and a strong vision focusing on identifying the root cause of defects, strengthening collaboration with the supplier, enhancing in-house inspection and quality control, empowering employees, standardizing processes, and establishing a robust feedback loop for continuous improvement are the key areas of attention and solution efforts. By doing so, not only would the immediate issue of seat defects be solved, but the production process would also see long-term improvements aligned with TMM's commitment to quality, efficiency, and continuous improvement. Next, in order to answer question 2, I will briefly introduce the question, show option analysis, explain the recommendation and justifications, and draw the conclusion. In addressing the seat defect issue at Toyota Motor Manufacturing, it is crucial to weigh the various options available to devise a strategic solution. The primary objective is to align any chosen strategy with the Toyota production system, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and dedication to quality. Next, goes to the option analysis. Option 1 is enhancing quality control at TFS. It means the implementing stricter quality control measures at TFS, the seat supplier. And the pros is that directly tackles the issues at the source and potentially reducing the number of defective seats arriving at TMM. The cons is that requires collaborations and willingness from KFS. It might also result in an increase in lead times and cost. Option 2 is in-house inspection and repair. It means that the strengthening TMM's in-house inspection team and creating a dedicated repair area for defective for defective seats. The pros is that immediate control over quality issues, reducing the need to send seats back to KFS. And the cons is that requires additional space and manpower, potentially lead to increased cost and operational complexity. And option 3 is training and empowerment of assembly line workers. It means that providing additional training to assembly line workers, empowering them to identify and address seat defects. The process that utilize existing resources, fostering a culture of quality and accountability. And the cons is that may not address the root cause of the defect, and there is a risk of increased cycle time if workers are overburdened. Option 4 is process standardization and documentation. It means the developing clear and comprehensive guidelines for the seat installation process, ensuring standardization. The process that minimizes human error creates a foundation for continuous improvement, and the cons is that the time-consuming requires a thorough understanding of current process and potential pitfalls. Option 5, developing a robust feedback loop. It means establishing a comprehensive feedback loop, incorporating inputs from all stakeholders, and the process that facilitates continuously improvement ensure all voices are heard and the problem are addressed promptly. And the cons is that require a culture shift towards open communication and continuous improvement. Next, it goes to the recommendations. Based on the analysis above, a combination of options would yield the best results. Enhancing quality control at KFS. This is crucial as it ensures that the issue is tackled at the source and reducing the burden of TMM and aligning with TPS principles. Training and empowerment of assembly line workers. Empowering the workers on the ground lines with TPS and ensures the quality is a priority at every stage of production process. And process standardization and documentation. This creates a strong foundation for continuous improvement, reducing variability in the process and minimizing errors. Developing of a robust feedback loop. This ensures that all stakeholders are engaged in quality control process, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Next goes to the justification. The recommended approach focuses on addressing the issue as its source, empowering employees and creating a culture of continuous improvement, which are all aligned with the principles of TPS. In terms of addressing the issue at its source, by enhancing quality control at KFS, TMM ensures that the number of defective seeds arriving at the plant is minimized, tackling the problem at its roots. Regarding the empowerment employees, training and empowering of assembly line workers not only fosters a sense of accountability but also ensures that facts are caught early in the process, preventing further complications down the line. In terms of the creating a culture of continuous improvement, the implementation of process standardization, documentation, and a robust feedback loop creates a strong foundation for continuous improvement, driving efficiency and quality across the board. Next goes to the conclusion. The seat defect issue at Toyota Motor Manufacturing requires a multifaceted approach grounded in the principles of a Toyota production system. The recommend combination of enhancing quality control at the supplier, empowering assembly line workers, standardizing processes, and developing a robust feedback loop. Offers a balanced, strategic solution. This approach not only addresses the immediate issue of seat defects, but also contribute to long-term improvement of the production process, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and relentless pursuit of quality. So, thank you for your attention, and I'm now open to any questions you might have. Thank you.